we are now one boy because Enra. Oh, you see, and come on, me bedi no ho. I am koma. Me kwasem de hu hia pa. Nkomo bia ye de obi piano pa bia hu hia. But we no baby aye economy no ye dru. You see, ye share da de ati wo se ye di nkomo no ache. Enti se dru baby na say yes o eniema exchange rate, interest rate. You see, all the indicators no positive. Na e pese busa say e ba fam. E ma fam ade ene enye de yie. Wonim say IMF so Ghana e bra so say exit. This month. And yes, the report no say exit this month. Now no me see as $50 million be IMF for say emra meji say sika no na. Obi a mampani ma ama see yes. Yeah, call your man so no mo say that. Enti mamene Dr. Atuahene. Enim komo pani ya ne kasa bia no a eya na otim say nimudie ne experience ni nyina ka bom e ma wote ne ma ase. E fa Dr. Richmond Akwasi Atuahene, financial consultant, economy hu komo ene e ba bedi. Doc, but what me nka bidi say bibia bokodi. Me so. Yada se pass no pay. Waje brese one asanteman Ghana nyina so bedi nkomo. Yada se pa. Na me kai before election. Yedi nkomo. After election abane sha say ototo niema. Committees ahodo started say or setting it up be advising on policies near the nyina na udi hu nkomo. Na we are very optimistic say aban no ntise a wo ye no o my Ghana ye ho beto yen asomdue beba ye ho behen han yen but o baby e ba beduri de aban ne ba ye ne de wa ye nyina no enne ma me musa say hu aban na montu a watu to this point sen
yo medasi nisa akwenya bi mu a wasan de aba we can krata so dia senia wo kasaye no I mean inflation from 28.3 to 23.8 abedu 3.2 anka nyema nyina kwanso de anka ye cd na hoden agina ho be afini oboni be ka say physical deficit ye nkrum ha ye nkon o ka bibiri mesle ya o si IMF amon nsa so say ye de ebusian kwa na ebo wi ase ididie so dia meji 50 billion we can say maybe just a year say we no busian kwa ni timidi chance na o hwe mu a afa say your physical deficit 2024 you say ababe do according to IMF abedu 2.8 surplus instead of deficit it means say ya ni niema ni husika ana ya sika na ya mobusia until the first time in the 10 years ni afa ni etimi surplus ama sikasem no atoye na wo kan sem bi yentia I can inflation ya hon toye ni ya kan say open come inflation do 54% I think 2022 and 2023 it means say dan to aketie mu anko do 54% to yemo sika na ni etua wo kan no edini ni na 15 sika e won sem kra na 46 inflation ni bi what say anwemwa usi wa obayi o saa na so wo sa sika ni wi a enchere se inflation ba 32 a ba 3.2 a usika na obayi ye no abedu ho ebi nti ebi ama nioma enfu ni na se ni ko du bonbonso bi a sika ni kura ye no eseye kura nti na ko ema no ko dwa so ba omse onioma bo ye den ko fom yes inflation ba fom enko fom nti enko fom ne se abaye ne ho kenye bi abehye oman no mu a enye dako obetini ebibenti be miensa enan ende nti abasa ne se obodi fro bi lag means say ade ne ba na nsusu aso no eche ebebe de wo covered injection bi e ba ye se niema bi wo obi wo a owo ye no benti miensa chino ne yare bi kura betini aba sana inflation etie ewiti ne ma yenhu yehu enfare yen na ko dwa so a isi niema bo ayeden ni nyina ye ba bia yekodri 54% deficit 7.9% of the GDP nti ema na cedi dollar ni cedi obekaya eduro bi na 17 16 nti saa ni mani ne bowure mu a enye bosome ba ko na enya afe ba ko ebitimi edi be mfi be me mfa na nan because endu saa usika yetua won still a usika na emu awe because ni ye 54 na awe about 23 awe about even 3 kura ye kan winning kiti ntina amma ni pa nfu ntina inflation you see inflation no chire say uko domu na niama na wo sa dabi niama ne de wo then you no ko duru ye na mo kana ho di so hwa ntina ntoni esesa woto planet here
nti ede na ebetimi ama say yenya as in fluctuation ewo sign indicators imu a betimi salary yetimi achieve the be achieve a say ba from in 3 years for instance say inflation no fluctuate or ha yenya betimi about 4% na movie kakra na by na say kra na Iran ne US and Israel tokwa ba mu no ama at a point na who say enema sheki kakra but the assurance na buy at what point you betimi aka say yes within this period there you better say by 3 years time no I was say a buff for me if yenya impact no maybe say way because niema fluctuate here it may affect that target na be say achieving na
but that's pa so bisa saseni no tamra IMF for no mekai Abe Aziz Akwabi Africa o kan se bi na no o so say you betimi aba form say na opasi bedru no you will never be 90 and then you be when you see you Ghana. You are saying I'm really uncool. You the carrier a beway, you see a baby. You become near natural CCR. Or see, okay, your tax GDP ratio, media. South Africa, I'm 25. Even I think Burkina Faso grow over 14 point something. Maybe 13.8 of the GDP. It is the lowest we in Nigeria. It is the lowest in the sub-region. It is the unfair tax we did no, since that we need in Komobi. We need in Komobi now. I'll just catch you up with what in the cost. We need in Komobi self. So we share Kumasi. Now to a Michelle we Kumra Swa Santasi Chiho, Oko Fusu Kwanso, Oko Tafu Kwanso, Uba Gasu Kwaswa. And then Kwan is
yeah.
But you say property tax and what could be Tennessee 13 good 18. It is a per year taxes and yet and Yama tax and getting a hunk of 1 year tax. Property tax area. See a core make me a catch wonder a lady. They came from 13 to now about 28 or 25. Yeah, no, you can't where you see a dino. Also, in Mexican museum to be a pussy dine. You find tax system. If you need a call back on, see a tax GDP ratio, one of the lowest. You're person you know, Macao. Over SOE, what do you know? A canal bank, I do not 2 more pamo, and I'm a boy. Then you offer maybe to see a state transport. Obi a transport or boka. Oh, in your transport mocha. VIP near transport mocha. If you offer state transport, near a fabat, near a top basi boom, near a boka. Near Crabas if you find area Bromo, here by urban transport. Addresses structural weaknesses in the SOE. Near Sopolos, then we forget it. But yeah, the instability. The person in Sunday, Dumso, young friend Dumso is the season where they are quarter new neighborship, but a capping or legacy debt be or and conform to fango. Emma yeshidi song kaniano in GI. Almost in GI. Young first one is CCI. Tiani now see the tax minute yo. If you tax GDP, you should share one share the Rebecca Crana Bobusia. Now the Okaka one, a lot of them. And it's also the rising public sector wages and compensation, which consume 39% of government revenue. The rising public sector wages and compensation, which consume 39% of the revenue. And I'm not a Minister of Finance. It is only say I'm saying, the ethical inflation about from a coin, you say you didn't hear Saniaman. continue on. The chat for I can more a typical example. Now, I'm radio station because I'm a kind of Papa Radio at Yazi. So, from a dear tomatoes for Akoma dying Asancho, and Akoma dying, and Dema, and I'm better with the bank. That's about 4 years ago. It could take him no less than 4 hours to come from Accra, that place to Accra. As I speak to you, if you leave Accra to Kumasi in your own car, it takes you 6.5 hours. It is your inflation. When there were structural deficiencies in our system, on the paper it looked good, but the new man can inflation in the Kumasi Ukraine, the body, any tomatoes brand, anyhow. Structural deficiencies, and they are serious. Oko Amanonia, you can't inflation war. And you Manchester inflation. Manchester inflation is not bigger than inflation in London because you take flowers near the bar. Flowers in the free name, the tutorial for Kenya. You take flowers for Kenya, the Cocoa. When you say Daniel Drew Airport, the Blue GSK, JSK, which were done when you distribute Manchester because Scotland, because train, fast train or good roads war. If you can inflation, you know, and your paper no go near maybe a different inflation about for anyone. Open train to train Nikoma, it's a train the fat body and tomatoes, train at the back. If you are Bob, and a Bob, you cannot quite happen. So if you look IMF, what you know, the free pass out here.
I'm so creating 50 billion fund. $50 billion fund.
I am said your mom is a unity. You're creating reguma. What you did be among your busia near Macna. No, she can't go at the amount cry. The first one at Rani with a Tianica. What do you show who say? Ubetina you be amount water. And you know, open near my macro media. See, I'm she and found to pay, especially the structural deficiencies in what we're talking about. I'll tell you, who Kukumazia. We know so by now, you because of that, your body, you would look at Mazia Unica. But to car free Hanopa, you took out being ready 5 o'clock, the Kukumasi, you cook for you. You took one about 12, 6 o'clock. Indeed, the boy from a boss.
We can do my colleague back try exams now. Of Accra neighbor. Unfortunately, time I will see there be the bar lectures from Accra or the bar lectures. Or the start time on no I say. Or because always with me Baba Miti lectures near there. Unfortunately, you're by a few minutes now. You try as a pioneer try. Do you want to try exams?
You can't inflation. You can't inflation. You're funny, so. Obonika inflation, and Okrobia and near Breno inflation, and near inflation in a Canadian account. Petrol came, and your tank is necessary petroba. Catrin with the Guma, Oxford, the old school America, da. Colombia, a train, we had a king, Animan in a free, a port no go inside. Then, with the bar, card, the Kukuru, Kunipana, Fiasi. Nothing, see a car inflation now. More funny figures and no quantity inflation about Commerce.
And that indicators now, how do you see a buying investment in roads, the big push? If say they are working now, buying say or the sika share a coin any home. In fact, we shall buy what cut sort be na project be ecoso. Is it an avenue bit my boy na easy pressure no? That investment no beti me ahwe na aboy in economy because the investment be no it should have impact, positive impact on our economy.
Yes.
Me busa this question because I was say aban cost wade ni ko no hwe road infrastructure mu so the sika eshim
ni kwadi anka meka chance on pesika so from train kwai ekwan yakwan eye yesi di obotoni afaso eye ebena aduane no so yetimi pe aduane fo no betimi di afaso abankan ni komasi am yedi but se wo wie no a the hinterland na ese se ye boa ma aduane no so ho ba no enko ye Kumasi Accra traffic no ho nipa be kɔ yi tie be yi ni ade eye ewe boayen ya ni de oka boayen it speeds up ebe man ni manu so be du Kumasi bi betimi abantem but yin wi nyina no ye can big push no the SSCF ni say baby edua bayire se ko kitikrachi ho no edua bayire no a na bayi ho no ni Akoma dan no mo franchu tomatoes na ta kwa ni nyina se ni ko the link road no and then the inflation no bad because when the new friends say Akoma dan ma Kumasi and I when free there ma and I when free kitikrachi ho ani ho amfa bayire na ma by inflation ubehu ni say eko na nso na nko ye iti the omo ye no beginning you starting here the omo ye ya if you starting here the omo ye ya kasi say yen ya Accra Kumasi enye Cape Coast Road enye akoso mbo kwan say bank ye ni nam ye din kurase ni ye na ma yetimi dia ba nti eho de ni kwan so ase bi ni di kan ye ya si di kan ye ya ke bi a wo mo so ba ba ye bi fufo ni de na bo aba so because Harvard better than that because a queen your first ye therefore we should go pay the back of St. Roses na me ko I think I'm making 2206 or that about of that meeting kind that time I'm making it 2 hours for banye speedo and then I'm making you 5.5 hours for my car me pass my car hill because a quan to I don't know a quan. I don't know because a crewman in Nipan Oma in Diana said no more. Obi yet so lack of him Caswa or your free Caswa of him Gulliver when Tiaho engineering. If it's so when you win the Banaka Swanamia Fasono, and you to cause you see a car no more disappoint. You to do so open La Ramsey we need support was nobody this is no. Iti emse mpanyinfo so a ebi yenimle engineers ni di kwan ni yen o se sa kalam kakra because the bien ha you took car kwan to stand baby America you better be nyan kwan no America kwa de you better nyan ni aye kwan no because na bi ni esi kwan ni aye yen di anaju no yakoda ewi na ye fa so ni ye kwan ti yan sam ni de open obi se di na mi
now yeah share IMF dear ye wo ho hwe IMF dear na that is a report we had said this month and Ghana officially be exit program Ghana joining 2023 officially May 2023 and that is a report to say Ghana exit minim say o bia wate na wa confirm dia say yes exit na exit so a ibusa say yen economy is here no say Ghana say exit IMF program no na said o moka so o ma create 150 billion fund Ghana for yemra majibi na Iran ne ayuko Iran ne US ne Israel ntokwa no nti amane ma ye nti yemra majibi is omo na ibom si emra meje enye ne e presi e kwakoje de ba omo na ibom si emra meje Ghana ye economy is bia be economy na do sesi ai no ya ye ready say ye exit IMF program no a ye betimi sustain gains a ye nya sesi ai na ye nsan koye chi ema inflation any other indicators so enye ye nsem because that is the basis a omo de ka say e wo say ye Jesus sika no a ebeboya ma inflation yetima manage ni ye any other things your economy is here and your foundation no a see free mo kra no asala e betima sustain the gains anya sisi ai
medasinia wako IMF mze say 18 and 19 obezo ko 20 kan dabi the woman can say sisi ye no minia see ye sa no hobetoy woman ne kan a baby the African director in the kind. You all kind of say, as I see institutional physical discipline. Physical discipline. Okay, and I see NBC television, so I couldn't believe with my ears and eyes. Say, so be a more say, a procurement on one with me for there 400 and something million between the houses and 50 million. And I'm busy there. If you see a 200 will be Kusuha, no, any open. Institutional physical discipline means that you can play with more honor. ever see me any call. Open to national service. Yeah, or no, the being for a question, no, if you say you can't put and fan or got to start dying or got to talk or to tell you about being crowd or Marco school approach. It is institutional physical financial discipline. Physical discipline, meaning, but when I can, because Yaya had been say, Yadi, will be met in a hand train. Oh, Namia boy, you'll 69 years. Think away, to send me a come out, me, Marco pension about the young, come up, only a gun, Alco pension, credit, 60, no, Wako, no, you want to measure also. I mean, it is ridiculous. You know, I said to her, Omaka, in Cassia, say, your 2 years, maybe, police media, person, if you also have no decent, I didn't really say, Puma, dear. Court system, I didn't create a move you. It's making prosecutorial company business. Near teenage power now or the prosecutor. Deliberate. Say your buyer, you put it in leguma. We are cost of Bokrom, the cost of your cassation. It is a you can yakin as a Siamanian. Yet now see a cobro for the idea, Minia, because he caught no 10 20. Anyway, stepping an inch, a beco. Debt. Yakano, so say inflation you buy down only dollar bar from no, and you can almost see you do 45% for the GDP.
Which was the target? The target on the Maya in this program Maya XT was it 50 or 45%? Some can say more than say a bit to a certain level as part of the conditionalities on the Maya. Nti ya dear ya boy home wedding.
Oh, any dear, Minia, here, sir, the entire ya dear, and this one I'm about to say, you. Oh, by a city, a say, no, I don't remember foreign component, no, a cost. And about what you say, a foreign engineer, not your debt, no cost of balloon. It is an idea, a foreign dear. You must see into what they are almost to see, you know. Campaign one money free hop because of Granite the foreign external debt because of external debt because of GDP because of CD debt to a CD. It is only because you pay. It is an many have been we must take our heart off because target now here can almost a team said 2035. When can you 2025?
2035.
And 2026. 2025. And to be fair, we must take our heart off for that discipline. Because I'm seeing that the Kadi, you can be. You're trusting me now. As I say, I can't say revenue mobilization. I told you, the first GDP issue is been there 13% almost 10 years. Instead of the Army, I offer in an AI. We are offering about Pelican AI. Okay, openly, everybody a chemono. You have a destination inspection. You will pre-inspecting. No, no, you are watching the Daniel Senior. And you have a for the license says a goods look rabaha. Most of the price comparison are breaching them from a from destination. You are a custom union, but I say you from a customs for. And you move near the man. What was here the admission a crony? Masa, Kuma. Look, get an independent person to look at this so that when you can, nobody challenges you. Our cash GDP ratio, it's terrible. We have to reduce government waste in expenditure. Because see, I'm sharing on your achievement no achievement.
Yes, that's a problem. Obi cry catch me say, and say you ade am by one kwaji na ade na da ho no. I say a creative 50 billion fund. $50 billion. Amai no mumra mubum. Obi a mechiri yenko. Nti se bia se 3 billion e sa kwaji a. Nya kwaji na e de manage niema. Na ye ho na na e de ne ye ade. E na ato force e na ye manage niema ye na se eje ye nsem a. Obi asem o kan ni. Say yo ade da ho de ne Ghana kwaji because ye free mu a. But I think that ebia na yenya I mean people are the governor Bank of Ghana any ato force na ebi at this time the omashas ya be they will be able to manage it for us to see say yes after IMF we are doing well say we now be after 1 year now 6 months ni who say emergency and then quickly there's some that be no maybe man we just run to them now omo
ask omo bi odum iti the kind of attorney Johnson Asiana at least yes the boy abaso fair at least ni ma give them 2023 24 you think the near ba na mo bi ye bi say you bet me ato aso yi adeba ko mo kan ya me pese tie economic diversification and growth what you say what you krum ha me no di hu nkomo that no nko tomatoes ni ge me no kan wa se ba kepa
ya me kai
ni di nkomo na me say what krum ha you dia anyu water agent say nobody ni dia tomatoes wa Akoma da francho any there ma hot say the ni bia na ye cha ye hu bia na di akofo tomatoes ni fi Burkina Faso ye di aba and so the Stephanie Tia, you're converting it here. Anything about Monica said, the report say, boost your domestic production, particularly in agric. Because someone agriculture, tomatoes, you could be any program idea. If you would be no linkages here, we see the car by warehouse and now no credit material, I think, school, you may be. You are
almost say perishable items nana almost sika omo de kwakoto ebi wo ho de but na omo demand this aban e ka ho nti aban hwe no settle mo anope ye ne Charles for di san komo no nti na perishable items a wo kan bi tomatoes ne pepper ne nasefo onion ne we no bia no asemo ana ye kan bia no
so bia ni ya open omo bia anka mo me hu so bi Akoma papa bi Akoma se bia mo wo adwira me da se kokre ma no emu me koto ya wa bia ni asase no saa mo no ntimi compete with emu na eba no nti wo kokra mo no ba China for any Vietnam na dia ba we must learn to eat our own so that production can go up. Unfortunately, so what is happening in America and gophobia from importers no it may be almost kasama bufu yaba because people turn him $1 no be amamo na mo de mo oya se mo ba mo nim anka mo kampo mo nyina na mo efe se bo producer ni mo se de eni na mo mo pese e bia tomatoes ana ano ni ga anyo kra ama be bo amo but o mo de o ko fa ba $1 ko na $1 ko so o mo de o mo ti ya si dollar so yan print wa ho euro ni yan print wa ha ya ko ton ni ma ni enya ni de 20 na o mo ka chere se boost your domestic production, especially in agric industry, especially industry. It's a poultry.
Unemployment. Some go conquering Kitty Guso.
Ah, yeah, no, study youth, and me, Akoma, no Chema, Nipping Jinafu. Can you not could you manipulate and a crabia and no honor, but we're not sure to see anything because youth development and entrepreneurship may be hot. And one see a camper of Nosa, and see a percent your court if you are if you could do talk, no could be the Oma country and yes, you home. I was saying,
Doc, me jam walk, but me per se making it clear. Am I as an expert consultant? Come on, say we need buy mu penifo hihia bebre na hia we mu programs say the ma in fact finance ministry programs and nyina mu nyina mu attend bi ni ade. But say you know clear to us. Say this month I was a Ghana exit IMF program. Now the program na end the ankasa. The end the ana say exit. Ubetu for say I was say ye exit na yes finally ka say ye free ye mfa ho ye kwa baby and as I was buy consider say if there is an opportunity see benye sika bia I was say yeje
me da say sika o mo de boy enye grant o loan IMF 2.9 billion ya the SDR no Ubetia. Intimidate, I don't support say the Biano be said almost can Kimanan kind of also and the problem African countries because say oh yeah dear some no call you na kwabrane ba ko gina ho se de de ni okum nkrofo na ma se wo mo oye ku you see man there we need support wars but I don't put all kind of tyrants and dictators in the whole world. And America, let me tell you, America is not just America of the last 10 to 15 years old. The Chinese are coming so much, you say, as I'm making, when you're trying to Maya, said you see pound sterling or dollar. One year, you will see how Akoma, because the Chinese are tactically positioning themselves to become a big giant in the economy. Now, the job I go for, not what's it hot. Can you put in the cocaine? I am at my office in Washington. No one is I only see you know what is number of Akana oil could be 120. I mean, look, and we all sit down there. If you talk to me, also catch it and say you're over anywhere.
So because they benefit
and somebody should tell
they benefit from it, you know. Almost.
Okay, and then what can you know what can some do? You know what can some? The benefit you know so by Jebosia. Let me not just a baby na man wo ko ni e ka debt one sem you dey dey share debt and you need the opposite you did that na condition was no and man dey dey buy you have to na you dey send me to America hand car na man dying so you know cost that you can you somebody say you have anything and you are young say you no come someone sana mako you share papa bi ba Ghana ha your friend kutu a champo man no kan one sem of India. Everybody shut you up, including the IMF and the World Bank. But let me give you what you did. And they come and say, and I'm going to say, you soon know, Barakasi and I don't know. I can't go and some traders and you need PhD. You need PhD. Anyway, you're Barakasi now. About kind, and over your pony, you show any kind of only PhD. After that, what Ghana hanging now, only PhD. He does it. I don't know. When I say you are Harvard, you are you. They call Oxford, but we cannot do it because people have to not understand what they do, and when they do it, they do to please certain people, like you said.
Okay.
Look, at some point, look, Kofusobia, this is your kind of one man. Oh, my, will be an ability. We require in command. The next person is jump.
Okay.
Politics are being because estates, I mean, so quite as your estate. About dancing, only look, also say, yes,
I see.
I'm not saying a democracy. It's a kind of opposite anymore. It's not just politics.
Okay.
Let us begin to think so. Who can do it well?
All right.
So if Johnson and what is his name? Ato, let us commend them and tell them to do more.
All right.
So that their name should be etched. Never written, their name will be etched in the history book.
Okay.
So that they say Ghana came a time.
Okay.
Ato and Johnson and Chama did their best. Period. We know politics
right.
And really Sahana
right.
I
know. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's a pan to be this one. You didn't come on, dog. Thank you.
Right.
That's it. Was for event Dr. Richmond Akwasi Atuahene, a financial consultant. Nti say Ghana. So we call you see be free man.